LazyFit App Review. LazyFit positions itself as a fitness app for people who don't want to spend hours in the gym. It focuses on minimal effort workouts, short daily routines, and lifestyle hacks. First, the user experience. The app's interface is clean, and workouts are usually 5 to 15 minutes long, making it ideal for beginners or busy professionals. Second, the fitness results. The app won't give you a bodybuilder's physique, but it does help with mobility, light toning, and daily energy. Users report better consistency compared to traditional programs. Third, AI coaching. LazyFit tailors short routines to your fitness level with reminders and motivational nudges. This makes it more engaging and harder to skip. Finally, value for money. The app is affordable compared to gym memberships, but you need to combine it with proper diet and occasional, heavier activity if you want major transformations. So, for final verdict, LazyFit works best as a starter or maintenance tool, but don't expect extreme results without additional efforts. It's worth it's worth it for those who want gentle fitness in 2025. So if this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.